Hi friends, market has corrected almost 14% from the top, but Nifty is not telling you the real story. Out of all the stocks on the National Stock Exchange, almost 85% are now below the 200-day moving average, which means it is giving very good opportunities to buy in the next 2-3 months. You will find fantastic opportunities for portfolio building. So I have a special free service for you. If any of you want to get your existing portfolio analyzed, or you want to know how is a particular stock for a portfolio, our expert will look into it and get back to you on this so that you know. So what you can do is you can go on your check the portfolio section after you have done the free registration and write the name of the stocks you want to see. For example, you want to check Reliance, you can sum it and you can keep on adding here. Like you want to do TCS, you know, you can save it. Let's say Yes Bank, which at about 212 I had analyzed and said it will come down to about 60 rupees, is now today available at about 57 rupees. So is it a good stock to buy now? You can write here Yes Bank, save it. Let's say you want to see is it good to buy a Tata Motor right now after this big correction. You can save it. You want to check if it is good to buy Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland. You can add it, and you can add as many number of stocks that you want that are there in your portfolio. And once we have this, my team will go through it and they can tell you whether the portfolio you are holding is good or bad, or you need to change it, or you need to put new stocks into it. So this is a free service we are giving at Pathfinders training. So take advantage of it. You can also call back on the number that is given below for support. But once you put your stocks for portfolio checking, my team will get back to you. Thank you very much and looking forward to see you soon, either in an introductory session on the main workshop or with the portfolios that you will be giving us. Thank you very much.